Okay, so you can tell that what we did, normally this would be, this part you can see closer that something's dirty right there, sorry. But normally this would be on the outside of your home or your garage or wherever you're trying to get into. We turned it around to the inside so that we could protect the kids from going out to the pool area when we bought our home recently. So here's the first time. Normally it picks up on the first time. Sometimes it's a couple of times, especially if you have really wet fingers or you've been doing dishes and you need to go outside. This is what it would normally look like from the inside. Yes, the inside, but since ours is backwards for the intended purpose that to protect the kids from going outside and leaving the door open to the pool area, because we have a baby, I was terrified that he would get outside and would drown. So we've done several things to protect him, but that's just one. Okay, so you can see here that the little thumbprint thing is not very noticeable, but it's enough to where you can tell where it's at. And that's it. I just wanted to show you what it looks like and how it worked. Normally it works really well. Like I said, unless your fingers are wet, sometimes it takes a couple of times. But that's it. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is a review regarding the Foxgard door handle. So it's a good idea. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the best build quality. You can use any fingers to set to unlock using the biometric portion of it, and then there's also the key. So what happens is eventually what will happen is you'll notice it'll work perfectly, then 3 months down the line you'll hear like a spring, kind of an awkward spring noise, and that's when you know it's about to go bad. So I think what happens is eventually the spring in there wears out. So you'll go to unlock it, it'll turn green, and it won't actually unlock the door. You'll have to do it multiple times until it triggers the spring correctly, and then it'll unlock. So I find myself doing this probably 2-3 times, and then it'll unlock. Initially when you get it, it works pretty good. So I would avoid this. Pretty much these things are all the same in build quality. Maybe in the future they'll have a better one, but for now, this Foxgard is a no-no for me.
It's very easy to install. This is the wrong one. See? Now this is the right one.
well worth the money.
Super easy.
And you not buying it.
So easy.
Alright, main issue with this door mechanism here is, see that, how it pops open? The key pushes this open and keeps that out. But when that relay electronically opens up, There's no resistance on that whatsoever. So this thing, think about this sitting right here. When this tries to turn, it's able to just, because the end of this little solenoid relay is just too smooth. So this ends up just spinning free. And it doesn't actually engage the mechanical stiffness that you would need to actually. It was just fine, but randomly it has no back resistance.
Hello. I've tried to install this fingerprint lock on my bedroom door. Everything went well until it didn't work when I tried to open the door. I programmed it with the fingerprint, everything clicked, everything was supposed to do as well. But when I tried to open my door, it would not open. So there's something going on with these mechanisms. Here, all you do is you put that in there. And I believe here's the problem. This doesn't have anything that it's locking into down in here. I don't feel nothing that can lock it. So when I go to, and I've installed this 3 times already, when it actually goes in here, this part that actually opens the door with the fingerprint side on the outside of the door does not trigger this. Now the other handle, this one here, that actually has the battery packed to it, does. It will turn it just fine because it actually has